If you have ever wanted to build a mobile app but stopped the moment you thought about coding, debugging errors, setting up Android Studio, or figuring out how publishing even works, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a real mobile app using AI and publish it to the Google Play Store step by step. These are simple steps you can follow to make your app building dream come true. We'll use ChatGPT to design the app, then we'll use Manus AI to build it, and finally, we'll publish it to the Google Play Store using internal testing. You'll see everything on screen. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go from an idea to building the app and finally installing it on your phone. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we're going to build a very simple app called a Daily Affirmations app, because you can build it without setting up logins, backends, or API keys, and it's incredibly easy to test. If you're a beginner, this is a great place to start. The app will show one affirmation per screen and let users tap a button to generate a new affirmation. That's it. It will be a simple app with great results. Alright, let's build it step by step. Step 1 is designing the app with ChatGPT. The first thing we need is a clear app description, because this description will become a real mobile app you can install on your phone. You can follow the next few steps. And with AI app builders like Manus, clarity always beats complexity. So let's open ChatGPT and type this prompt. I want to build a very simple Android mobile app. The app is called Daily Affirm. Its features include displaying one positive affirmation on the screen, a button to generate a new affirmation, a clean, minimal design, and no login, ads, or user accounts. The app should have one main screen, large, readable text, and a single button at the bottom. Please structure this app clearly so it can be built using a no-code AI app builder. Do not add extra features and keep it simple. Give me a prompt to build this app, then press enter and let ChatGPT generate the structure for you. Once it generates the structure, do not edit it heavily. Just scan it to make sure the app is simple, no extra features were added, and it still matches what we asked for. If everything looks clean, copy the final app description, because this is what we're going to feed directly into Manus to build the app. Step 2 is building the app in Manus AI. Open Manus and make sure you are in the Develop Apps section. Then paste the app description you copied from ChatGPT and add to the prompt that the app is for the Google Play Store. Confirm that the app name is Daily Affirm, then click Generate. At this point, Manus automatically starts building the app. You will see the UI being created, the button logic added, the logo being generated and added, and the affirmation text handled internally. This is not a mock-up, this is a real working app. Once the build finishes, test it in Manus by clicking the button. Make sure the affirmations change and check the spacing and text size. If anything looks off, you don't need to code. You can simply type, center the button vertically. Manus updates the app instantly. And once you see your app working, that's when most people realize something crazy. You just went from idea to real mobile app without writing a single line of code. And once you start using this daily, it gets even crazier. While you're answering emails or working on something else, Manus can rebuild and repackage your app in minutes. Now comes the part most tutorials skip: how to actually get this app onto your phone and prepare for Google Play testing. Step 3 is preparing to publish to Google Play. We're moving from testing to turning this into a real Android app you can install on your phone. Before we do this, you need one thing: a Google Play developer account. It's a one-time $25 fee, and you can create it at play.google.com/console. Once your account is set up, come back to Manus, because in the next step, we're going to package this into the exact file format Google Play accepts, so you can install and test it just like a real app from the Play Store. And this is the step where most people normally get stuck. Build configs, Android Studio errors, signing keys, but Manus handles all of that for you. Now, in step 4, packaging the app for Android is the next step. Now we're turning your app into a real Play Store ready file. Inside Manus, go to Publish, then switch to the Android tab. From here, click Build APK. Manus does the heavy lifting for you. Manus will package your app into the APK format required by Google Play and prepare it for upload. You don't need to touch Android Studio or deal with signing keys. You don't even need to configure anything manually. Once the build finishes, download the APK file. At this point, you officially have a Play Store ready app file, and now comes the moment where this becomes real. Because in the next step, we're going to upload this file to Google Play and make your app installable on real Android devices. Step number 5 is uploading to Google Play. Now we're about to put your app on Google Play's servers. Not publicly yet, but still real, testable, and installable. Open Google Play console, then follow this flow on screen. Select your app, then go to Testing, open Internal Testing, click Create New Release, and upload the APK file you downloaded from Manus. After the upload finishes, add a simple release name, example, Daily Affirm Test, click the next, and finally go to Publish. And just like that, your app now lives inside Google Play's system. This is the exact same pipeline used by real companies to ship apps to users. The only difference is you just did it without a dev team or months of development time. Now you are just one step away from installing your own app directly from the Play Store environment. Now the only thing left is telling Google who is allowed to install this app, because in the next step, we're going to add testers, including you, so you can install this app on your phone like a real Play Store app. Step number 6 is adding testers, so you can install the app like a real product. Now this is the step where your app becomes installable on a real phone, just like a normal Play Store app. Inside Google Play console, open the internal testing section for your release. Now we tell Google who's allowed to install this app. Under the tester section, add your email address. You can also add teammates or friends later if you want. Then click Save. Google Play will now generate something called an opt-in link. This link is powerful. Anyone with this link and added as a tester can install your app directly from Google Play's system. Copy this link, because in the next step, you're going to use this link to install your own app on your phone, exactly like users would. And this is the moment most people never reach. You're about to install an app you built yourself from the Play Store environment without writing code, touching Android Studio, or setting up build configuration. Let's do that now. Step 7 is about installing the app on your phone. Open the opt-in link on your Android phone. Tap Accept Invite. Then tap Install. That's it. Your app downloads, installs, and shows up on your phone like any normal Play Store app. Open it, tap the button, and you'll see affirmations generating live inside an app you built yourself. This is not a prototype or a demo. This is a real installed mobile app running through the Google Play infrastructure. Once you do this, everything changes, because now you can build small utility apps for niches, launch MVPs without hiring devs, turn workflows into tools, ship client apps faster, test business ideas in days instead of months, and build content around real products, not just tutorials. This is how many solo creators and small agencies are quietly building software leverage right now. Right now, you're using internal testing. From here, you can add external testers, move to production release, and push updates anytime from Manus. Manus handles packaging and build complexity. Google Play handles distribution and installs. You focus on the idea and the product. Manus handles the hard part. Google Play handles distribution. If you're watching this and thinking, I'll try this later, don't. Because the people getting ahead with AI right now are not spending hours watching tutorials. They're shipping small things fast. Open ChatGPT, write one simple app idea, build it in Manus, and publish it once. That single action already puts you ahead of most people still learning AI in 2026. If this helped you, hit like so YouTube shows this to more builders. Subscribe if you want more real AI workflows you can actually use, and comment below what's the first app you're thinking of building. I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next one.